Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to stop coughing or when you have sore throat, how to fix with acupressure point. So when you're coughing, you start with middle finger under the collarbone right here. So you use your middle finger, start from right under the collarbone, and then you go all the way to where the collarbone ends, and then where it ends, you just press it and massage here. When you're massaging, you can exhale. So let's start again. So you find your collarbone, which is this one. Under the collarbone, you go all the way. It's pretty deep. You have to go pretty deep. And then where it ends, this is where it's really, really good for you. So you press it and then you exhale. And then you have to do both sides. So here, you have to find the collarbone, and you're gonna start from here, and you go all the way here, and then you stop right here, and you massage, and exhale. Hope this video will help you stop coughing, and hope you feel better.